How and when to file ISF for manual espresso machines. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to deep dive into the topic of importer security filing, commonly known as ISF, specifically focusing on how and when to file ISF for manual espresso machines. So, if you're an espresso enthusiast or involved in the coffee industry, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we delve into the specifics, let's quickly recap what the importer security filing, ISF, is all about. ISF is a mandatory requirement enforced by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP. It requires importers and carriers to provide detailed information about the cargo they are bringing into the country in advance. The objective behind ISF is to enhance the security of the international supply chain and facilitate the identification of high-risk shipments. Now, let's discuss how and when to file an ISF for manual espresso machines. Generally, an ISF must be submitted electronically no later than 24 hours before the shipment is laden aboard the vessel destined for the United States. It is the responsibility of the importer, or their agent, to ensure the accurate and timely filing of the ISF. There are a few key steps to follow in the ISF filing process. Step 1 is to ensure that your manual espresso machine is properly classified under the Harmonized System (HS) codes. The HS codes classify products based on their nature, composition, and intended use. Accurately classifying your manual espresso machine is vital as it determines the applicable import duties, restrictions, and regulations. Step 2 involves gathering the necessary information for the ISF filing. This includes details such as the importer of record's number, the seller's information, the manufacturer's information, and the ship-to-parties information. Additionally, information about the vessel, the foreign port of unlading, and the place of delivery must also be provided. Step 3 is to secure a customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee required by the CBP to ensure that all duties, taxes, and fees will be paid, and that the customs regulations will be followed. A customs bond acts as an insurance policy to protect the government and ensures compliance with the customs regulations. Once you have obtained all the necessary information and secured a customs bond, you are ready to file your ISF. This can be done through a licensed customs broker or using online customs brokerage platforms. Upon successful submission, you will receive a confirmation of your ISF filing. Now that you understand how and when to file an ISF for manual espresso machines, it's important to note the consequences of non-compliance. Failure to file or untimely filing of the ISF can lead to penalties, shipment delays, and even shipment refusal by the CBP. In conclusion, the ISF filing process for manual espresso machines involves classifying the product, gathering the necessary information, securing a customs bond, and filing the ISF electronically. Compliance with these steps ensures a smooth import process and avoids potential penalties and delays. Thank you for joining us in this video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Video disclaimer below. Until next time, happy importing and stay tuned for more valuable content.